Hello friends, today let us try to understand an important topic, that is simplification. And this is very easy, at the same time very important for all the examinations which you are trying. Without this chapter it's very difficult for you to try any examination. Okay, so if you see, if I give you like what is the value of 10 plus 5 plus 6, okay, the answer is 21. So it becomes easy: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, so of these numbers like 10, 5, okay, like that, it becomes easy. But suppose if I give you the numbers like, imagine 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Okay, so how to solve this kind of questions? Suppose if I give you what is 2 1 by 2 plus 3 1 by 3 plus 4 1 by 6, how to solve this kind of question? So this is what is the chapter of simplification, and now we are going to study this topic in detail. So first of all, what is the meaning of fraction? Now a fraction consists of two important things. One is called as numerator and another is called as denominator. So this is numerator, and down we have denominator. Okay, now for example, if I write 3 by 5, 3 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. Now if I write 7 by 11, this 7 is numerator and 11 is the denominator. Okay, so these are the first fundamental things that you have to keep in mind. Now before adding or subtracting the fraction, you should be thorough with a topic of LCM. Okay, you should be thorough with the topic of LCM. Now what does this LCM mean? You have to find the factors of it. Okay, now for example, if I write number 12 here, this 12 can be written as 2 into 6, correct? Now this 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So the numbers here, that is 2, 2, 3. These are the factors of number 12. Now what does it mean? Imagine if I write this is 2 into 2 into 3. So if you look at this, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 3s are 12. So these are the factors. Okay. So next, if I move ahead, imagine if I take 24. Okay, 24 can be written as, this is 2 into 12. Now again 12 can be written as 2 into 6. Again 6 can be written as 2 into 3, right? So these numbers here which I am circling, that is 3, 2, 2 and 2, these are the factors of number 24. These are the common factors. So now like this I write here. Okay, so look at this: 2 into 2 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 into 3 is 24. So this is the way that you are going to find the factors. Okay, so now let us try to first understand how to find the LCM. So how to find the LCM of two numbers? Now imagine question number 1, I gave you find the LCM of 12 and 20. Okay, find the LCM of 12 and 20. So I write this number 12 here, I write this number 20 here, and now first I am going to divide with the number that is 2. Always keep in mind, take smaller number, that is 2, then you take 3, then you take 5, then you take 7, then 11, then 13, then 17, then 19, okay, and so on. So take this kind of numbers to get the answer. So first let us divide 12 and 2. So 12 and 2, if I divide, I get 6. If I divide 20 and 2, I get 10. Now again divide 6 and 2, I get 3 here, I get 5 here. Now I will take 3, this is 3 ones are 3, I'll write 5 here, this is 5 ones are 5. Okay, so look at this now. Here 5 into 3 gives you 15, 15 into 2 gives you 30, and 30 into 2 gives you 60. So LCM of these two is 60. So let us try to do one more question so that it will be easy for you to understand. Now question number 2. Question number 2, let me take 15, 18 and 24. So the question is, find the LCM of 15, 18 and 24. So I write the number here. This is 15 here, this is 18 here, this is 24. So let us first start with the number 2. So in 2 we don't have 15, so write that 15 as it is. Here 2 into 9 is 18, 2 into 12 is 24. Again you take 2, 15 is not there in 2's table. Again you write 9, you write 6 here, 2 6 are 12. Again you take 2 divided by 15 divided by 2, you don't have any value. Now you take 9 here, now 2 3s are 6. Now further I cannot use 2, I have to go with the next number, that is 3. So this is 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Again you take 3, you take 5 here, this is 3 1s are 3 and this is 1. And finally I will take 5, 5 1s are 5 and everything remains 1. Now look at this, I have to multiply this. 5 into 3 gives me 15. Okay, then 15 into 3 gives me 45. 45 into 2 gives me 90. 90 into 2 gives me 180. And 182 into 2 gives me 360. So the LCM here I get is 360. Okay, so students should first make themselves thorough in finding the LCM. Okay, how to find the LCM? If you are good at finding the LCM, the questions of fraction, okay, adding and subtracting of the fractions will be easy. Now let us try to go with some basic questions. Now imagine question number 1, I write here 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Okay, 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Here this is the first number and this is the second number. Okay, if you see the first number and the second number, the numerator is same, that is numerator is 5. So if you find numerator is same, take it only once, that is take it 5. And in denominator you take it 5, and in numerator you take 1 plus 3. So what is the answer? 1 plus 3 is 4, so answer is 4 by 5. Okay, so let me give you one more example to make you understand. Imagine question number 2, I gave you 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 7. Okay, so we have three numbers, three fractions, and in all the three fractions the denominator is same. Denominator means the number which is below the dash line here. So 7 7 7, it is same. So what am I going to do now here? I will take this 7 only once. So I will add, that is 2 plus 3 plus 1. So what is 2 plus 3 plus 1? It gives me 6. Answer is 6 by 7. Okay, so this is the answer. Fine. Next, let me give you one more example. Question number 3. Suppose if I say 3 by 7 and 2 by 7 plus again 3 by 7. So what happens here? The denominator is same. So what I am going to do, I will write it as 7. So answer is 8 by 7. Okay, so this was an easy question where the denominator is same and you are adding the two fraction. What if the denominator is different? Let us try to understand what if the denominator is different. So the fractions whose denominators will be different. So here we are going to use a method of LCM. Okay, so now let try to understand the first question. Now this is, imagine 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. Okay, these are the two numbers that I have to add. So look at the denominator of the first number, it is 2, and the denominator of the second number, it is 3, right? So I'm going to add these two numbers now. So when I found that the denominator is different, there are two methods here. Okay, both the method you should know, and whichever method you find it easy, try to use it in your examination. So method 1, imagine I write here 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. Method 1, I am going to cross multiply. Okay, so 1 into 3, I will write like this, 1 into 3, then we have a plus here, and then you have 2 into 2, that means 2 into 2 whole divided by, now here down you have 2 into 3, so write like this, 2 into 3. Now what is the answer of 1 into 3? It gives me 3. What is the answer of 2 into 2? It gives me 4, and 2 3s are 6. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 by 6. This is the answer. So let us try to understand with the second method here, that is LCM method. Imagine this is 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. So first find the LCM of 2 and 3. How to find the LCM? We have done these questions just now. Now this is 2, 1s are 2, this is 3. Now this is 1, 1. Okay. Now 3 into 2 gives me 6. So finally I get the LCM as 6. Okay, now after this, how to do it? Look at the first number. The first number is 1 by 2. Okay, and the second number is, this is 2 by 3. So here I am going to multiply 3 to the denominator. Now if you see, 2 into 3 is gives me 6, correct? 2 into 3 it gives me 6. That's why I am multiplying 3 here. So whatever number you are multiplying here, the same number you will multiply to the numerator also. Now the second fraction here, if I multiply 3 into 2, the same number I'll multiply up also. So now what happens? Look at this. This becomes 3 by 6 plus 4 by 6. So now we have successfully made the denominator same. Now it becomes easy. Take ones and then you are going to add 3 plus 4. So what is 3 plus 4? 7 by 6. Okay. So you got the same answer. Okay, you got the same answer. Now since I give you two fraction, you will feel this method easy and this method little lengthy. But if I give you three fraction or three or more fraction, that time you will feel this is very easy. So let us try to solve a question. Okay, question number 1. Imagine this is 2 by 3 plus 4 by 10 plus 2 by 12. Okay, now method 1 you can cross multiply, but look at the number, you get 3 into 10 into 12, it becomes very big. Okay, 3600 you will get it in the denominator. That is very challenging. So first I am going to make LCM. Okay, I'm going to find the LCM. Write 3, write 10 and write 12. Okay, so now I will take 2. In 2 table 3 is not there. Now 10 divided by 2 it gives me 5. 12 divided by 2 it gives me 6. Again take 2. This is 3. This is 5. 6 divided by 2, take 3. Now you take 3. 3 ones are 3. This is 5. This is 1. Now you take 5. This becomes 1. Okay, now you have to multiply. So 5 into 3 15. 15 into 2 30. 30 into 2 60. So the LCM you got is 60. So I hope till here you understand LCM is 60. Okay, now look at the question. The first fraction is 2 by 3 plus the second fraction is 4 by 10 and the third fraction is 2 by 12. Okay, so now I want to get 60 here, so I will multiply by 20 and here also I will multiply by 20. Here I'll multiply by 6. Here also I'll multiply by 6. Here I'll multiply by 5. Here I'll multiply by 5. So the next step it becomes 40 divided by 60 plus 24 divided by 60 plus 10 divided by 60. Now if you see carefully, the denominator is 60, that is common, and now I am going to add 40 plus 24 plus 10. So 40 plus 24 gives 64 and final answer is 74 by 60. This is the answer. So that's the reason the LCM method will be helping you to solve this question very rapidly. Okay, so I hope you understood this. Let me give you one more example and then I'll give you some question for practice. Imagine question number 2. This is 2 by 12 plus 3 by 15 plus 1 by 20. Okay, so look at the denominator. It is 12, 15 and 20. It's very large number. So here you are going to take LCM. LCM of 12, 15 and 20. Okay, so you divide it. 2 6 12, 15 is not there, 2 tens are. Now 2 threes are 6, 15 is not there, 2 fives are 10. Now again you take 3, 3 ones are, 3 fives are, again 5. Now you take 5, 1, 1, 1. So 5 threes are 15, 15 into 2 30, 30 into 2 60. You get the same number here, 60 LCM. Now you write down the fraction, the question. 2 by 12 plus 3 by 15, okay, then plus 1 by 20. Okay, 1 by 20. So here I'm going to multiply by 5. Here I'll multiply by 5. Here I'll multiply by 4. Here I'll multiply by 4. Here I'll multiply by 3. Here I'll multiply by 3. So here I get 10 by 60 plus 12 by 60 plus 3 by 60. Now if you look at the denominator is same, that is 60. So now the answer is 25 by 60. This is the answer. Now further you can reduce this. Okay, you can reduce this and get the answer, that is you can divide by 5. So this is how you are going to do it. Now one more thing. Now students, they don't know what table should I do it. Should I divide by 2 or should I divide by 3 or 4 or 5? They don't know what to do. So the thing is, you have to find the HCF. Now look at this. The number is 25 and 60. This is the number, right? So find the HCF of this. Now how to find the HCF of this? Take 25, okay, and now take 60. Now 25 twos are, how much you get? 50. Now 60 minus 50, you get here 10. Okay, now you take this 25 once again here. So now you take 10 twos are 20 minus 25 minus 20, you get 5. Now here you take 10. So 5 twos are 10. So 10 minus 10, 0. So you got the remainder 0, right? You got the 0. So now the answer is 5. Okay, so what does it mean? You have the number 25 and you have the number 60. So you have to divide it by 5. Now 5 5s are 25. And now here this is 12. So what is the final answer you get? Final answer is 5 by 12. So sometimes in your options this will be the answer, 5 by 12. Okay, I hope you understood it. Now this is a simple fraction. Now let us go with the mixed fraction kind of question. Okay, let us go with the mixed fraction. Now mixed fraction in the sense, imagine I gave you 2 1 by 3 plus 3 1 by 10 plus 2 1 by 12. Okay, if I give you like this. So now you have to convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction first. Now how to convert the mixed fraction into proper fraction? Okay, how to convert that? Without doing this you cannot proceed this question. Now imagine the first number is 2 by 3, 1 by 3. First you multiply 2 and 3. So 2 into 3 gives you 6. So what is the number remaining on the top? 1. You add 6 plus 1 gives you 7. So now this value can be written as 7 by 3. This is your first number. Now for example, the second is 3 1 by 10. You have to multiply 3 and 10. So what is 3 into 10? 3 into 10 gives you 30. And what is remaining on top? 1. So 30 plus 1 gives you 31. So this becomes 31 by 10. This is the second fraction. Now the third fraction, you have 2 by 12. So what is 2 into 12? It gives you 24. And what is remaining on top? 1. 24 plus 1 gives you 25. So this becomes 25 by 12. Okay, this becomes 25 by 12. So now you have to add these fractions, that is 7 by 3 plus 31 by 10 plus 25 by 12. Okay, so now this becomes a proper fraction. Now you take the LCM of 3, 10, 12, you take the LCM and then proceed on with the questions here. Okay, so this is how you are going to do the questions. Now take some questions for practice. The questions are, okay, take for practice, or you can take it as a homework. Question number 1 is 3 2 by 3 plus 2 1 by 4 minus 3 5 by 9. Question number 2, 5 2 by 3 plus 2 2 by 3 plus 7 by 9. This is question number 2. And question number 3 is 2 1 by 8 plus 3 1 by 2 minus 4 5 by 8. Okay, so wherever you have minus, you are just to do subtraction, that's it. Okay, rest everything is same. So if you are thorough with this kind of questions, it will be easy for you to solve any questions given in mathematics. Okay, so the next after this only we have the chapters like time, distance, speed, ratio, proportion, etc, etc. So I hope you understood. So if you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp on this number, or you can call on this number anytime. Thank you. Have a nice day.